What's going on, everybody? Aaron here. Welcome to the video. So as the Olympics get started and we're seeing a recreation of the Last Supper with drag queens, we have the Bitcoin 2024 conference. And there have been some really big announcements that have come from that already. So starting out right here, the VanEck CEO says he owns over 30% of his portfolio in Bitcoin.
Why should I be selling Bitcoin? If I believe the Super Bull case, why am I constantly selling into this bull market? I mean, we just came out with research that talked about a price close to $3 million a coin, and everyone I meet at Bitcoin conferences owns way more in their own portfolio. And I always say, wait a minute, I always want to tell people what I'm doing personally because they should know, right?
Well, what are you doing personally?
I'm in like way over 30%.
So that's already massive. Somebody this wealthy has 30% of their net worth in Bitcoin. But next we have Saylor with some insane price predictions like he often has in the past, because he really believes Bitcoin is going to gobble up liquidity and Bitcoin is going to replace gold and even more than gold.
Here's my macro Bitcoin forecast. It's 21 years. Goes out to the year 2045. What do I think will happen? Well, I've got a bear case and a bull case. Bitcoin's $13 million a coin in the year 2045. It could be a 3 million bear case. It could be a 49 million bull case. But what is Bitcoin? 7% of the world's assets then.
And next, the last thing I want to cover in this short video, I will be talking a lot more about this because it's super crazy. RFK Jr. basically says he'll sign an executive order directing the U.S. Treasury to purchase 550 Bitcoin daily until the U.S. has built a reserve of at least 4 million Bitcoin.
I will sign another executive order directing the U.S. Treasury to purchase 550 Bitcoin daily until the U.S. has built a reserve of at least 4 million Bitcoins and a position of dominance that no other country will be able to usurp. Our nation holds approximately 19% of global gold reserves. This policy will give us about the same proportion of total Bitcoin. The cascading impact from these actions will eventually move Bitcoin to a valuation of hundreds of trillions of dollars.
So let me know what you think about that, and if that would be enough for maybe you to vote for him, if that matters to you, right? A lot of people have become single or maybe dual issue voters at this point. Maybe there's one incredibly important thing or two that will determine whether or not you want to vote for a specific candidate. And him saying that basically he will put the US on a Bitcoin standard, essentially, 4 million Bitcoin. Guys, do you realize, again, 21 million, 3 to 4 million are lost forever. That would skyrocket the price incredibly high. So I am going to cover in depth what RFK Jr. said because there is so much to unpack there. But I just wanted to give you this little highlight reel. We got some insane price predictions, very wealthy people saying that they hold a lot of their net worth in Bitcoin, Michael Saylor doing what Michael Saylor does, RFK Jr. saying that he'll put basically the United States on a Bitcoin standard and purchase 4 million Bitcoin, which would explode the price of Bitcoin if he did that. So I hope you guys are doing well. A lot more people are getting their Celsius distributions, which is good. There are some things going through the court regarding some creditors that want to get more crypto because they were corporate creditors or they got paid in cash and then they can't get the appreciation of crypto prices. So I'll keep you guys posted with all that kind of stuff as well, all that Celsius stuff. But that's it for the video. Till next time, talk with you soon, and bye for now. And if you were confused about what that was in the background, it was a drum circle, and here's a little clip of that. After I recorded this video, I definitely did some dancing.